Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a little inside report from some PC manufacturers that apparently are a little annoyed at Microsoft. And what they say is that when they make PCs, Microsoft forces them to have only Microsoft Edge as a browser and nothing else. So, of course, manufacturers probably would like to have Google Chrome installed since they know that most people use Chrome. It's the dominant browser. But Microsoft apparently, for most manufacturers, tell them, nope, we don't want to see Chrome. We don't want to see anything else, just Microsoft Edge. And of course, that means that, well, the joke has always been there. People use Microsoft Edge to download Google Chrome, but or their favorite browser. But this is a kind of a funny little thing about the inside, the things that happen behind the scenes that we don't really know about. That big companies are trying to push things around. So apparently, this is most manufacturers are kind of little forced to do it, and so. It's part of the business, I guess, but it's interesting. I'd like to see, many, many, many PCs and look at what's installed on them as a browser. If do some of them do it anyway and say, well, the hell with it, we're installing something else. But yeah, business practices. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.